Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying hardware so you know what's possible. Check the monitor model and firmware because panels have physical HC limits. Once done, choose the right cable, display port 1. 2 or better, or dual-link DVI, avoids bottlenecks. Make sure your GPU supports the target refresh rate at that resolution and install the latest drivers from the manufacturer, because driver updates unlock timing and custom resolution controls that you'll need next. Once drivers are installed, open your GPU control panel and go to Custom Resolutions. This is where you change refresh rates. Create a new profile with the target HC and tweak pixel clock and front/back porch timings conservatively. Small increases first, because aggressive values can break the signal. If you can't hit the HC at native resolution, make sure to test a lower resolution or reduce color depth. These trade-offs reduce bandwidth and often let you reach higher refresh rates safely. Apply the custom mode and validate with motion tests. Look for tearing, flicker, or artifacting, because stability proves the mode is safe. Use a utility like CRU or the GPU control panel to make changes persistent, then reboot and recheck. If you see instability, revert immediately and lower the refresh rate in 5 to 10 HC steps, because incremental rollback prevents damage. Troubleshooting tip: if the screen goes blank, wait 30 seconds for edit fallback or boot in safe mode to restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.